In a gathering, I was conducting a workshop. During a conversation, few walked up to me. They stood and they few walked up to me with this one common term. Sir, you are a great mentor. I said, no, no, no. Let's not go there. So, okay, sir, then you are a great motivator.
I was expecting it.
Yeah. I was like, no, don't go there as well. I'm not a motivator and I have nothing to do with motivation. I mean, I've seen I've seen a lot of videos of people calling themselves motivators. Good for you,
Motivator.
yeah. But my take in life for everything, especially why do you want motivation? First of all, if you're thirsty, you need water. Need. If you want to achieve great marks, go study. If you want to achieve a platform, go prove. Why motivation and where motivation comes in from? You must be lazy. Good for you. Be lazy, but do something which is needed in that time.